Welcome to a Rebo product presentation. In this video we'll be focusing on the new SMS R1 system. So what can the R1 do for you? The R1 will produce all of this. Equally so, the R1 can also produce all of this. And in addition, the R1 can produce extremely long output lengths. And that isn't its maximum. This machine can produce beyond 10 meters in a single pass. So it is phenomenally productive. Without further ado, let's actually look at the product, the SMS R1. We designed the R1 with some clear criteria in our mind. Number one, we want the machine to stay within its own footprint. By that it means that when the machine is working, you don't have material spooling at the front and you don't have material spooling at the back. It stays within its own footprint. We want the machine to be very easy to use, so we've actually put a colour touch screen on the machine, which means the machine does the talking, not the computer. So if there's any requirement to change the colour of the ribbon or the materials, the machine tells you that. The machine asks you the questions, not the computer. Automatic detection of material and ribbon, with the exact amount of tape and ribbon available indicated on the machine. This avoids errors and ensures you have enough materials to complete a print job, so no waste and total cost control. The machine's also fully networkable, so you can have the computer that creates the origination in one part. As long as the people near the machine know there's a job on the way, the machine will just prompt them when they need to make changes. Ease of use. The supply rolls that go inside the machine, they are auto-installing. And the best way to describe that is the old-fashioned cameras we used to lift open the back lid, put in a film, close the lid, and it used to spool the film forward. It's exactly the same process with the R1. And the other thing that's very important about the machine is the fact that we've created a product where the colours, which come from thermal transfer ribbons, actually install from the side of the product. Now there's a key reason for that, because in doing it from the side, you never have to go through the opening of the lid, the removing of a cassette, the replacing of a cassette, and the closing of the lid. Just that in itself, as I've shown it to you, is a timely interruption in the production process. Ribbon saving. When the R1 is not printing, it will not consume the ribbon, thus giving up to 50% savings over traditional thermal transfer systems. And in addition, we have developed our own unique driver, print driver for the machine. The driver we've developed actually has a colour bias. And what that actually means is whatever it sees in a label design that is coloured magenta, it'll cut that colour. So the great advantage of that is our driver is independent, it's free. So you don't have to use the software that comes with the machine. We do bundle it with Nice Label, which is a great software product, and we're very, very happy working with it. But you may have CorelDRAW, you may have Illustrator, and you can take those designs that you've made in software you understand and just add some magenta colour to those lines that you want to cut and send it straight to the machine. So the R1 as a product is productive, freed up, independent, and very, very, very easy to use.